to my channel. So today I'm doing a special edition. I have with me my little Tootie. Is she gonna come in the camera? Okay, well she's gonna be doing my makeup today. And I brought with her also a cousin, Lele. Okay, so I'm doing the Big Brother, Big Sister program. And I had them for a sleepover this weekend. And Tootie really wanted to do my makeup. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I have all the products here. And she's gonna take it over.
Okay, that was funny. Put her in the ponytail. Too late.
And tell them about your flat iron hair.
Oh, okay. So yeah, so I had my hair flat ironed again. Same lady that did it last time, Miss Keisha Kimura. She did a wonderful job. Yeah, so it's been about a week or so. So it's holding up very well. I have had no touch-ups. Okay.
So first, I'm gonna start out with some cleansing water. Lord. Okay. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
So cleanse my face, cloud on blackheads. I'm gonna start out with primer. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And you'll say, okay. I'm gonna and a little goes a long way. And make sure your hands clean before you touch anybody's face. Okay. Starting first, I'm gonna start out with this e.l.f. brow pencil. So yeah. Okay. So yeah. I hope I'm not stopping you from breathing.
Mm-hmm.
One brow.
Yes.
It don't look too bad.
She's like, open your eyes, open your eyes. I'm like, Tootie, I'm trying, but
Okay.
what we got next? Foundation?
Foundation.
All right.
So
Which one
I'm
you
going
want
to fade that.
This.
Okay. It's going to be up to you. You can
Yes.
tell them what I said it does if you want. I know it's a squeeze bottle. You got to squeeze it. That's not a foundation. This is the foundation brush.
I'm gonna blend it in the foundation.
Okay, be careful. Just be careful.
This with the shade, but it won't be too dark, too light. It'd be her perfect skin color tone.
You feel this.
And you want to get the neck too. So we're gonna pause this video right here. We're gonna show you what the results look like when we get done. Bye. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching.